In the previous class, we learned about what is square root. Today, we are going to learn how to find out a square root by prime factorization method. Question is, find the square root of the numbers by prime factorization method. We have to find out the square root by prime factorization method. Here, first number is 729. How we have to do? First, we have to take the factor of this number. How you will understand what is the factor of this number? In earlier class, we learned if the unit digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. From these, any one of the number is there, the factor is 2. Here, unit digit is not the factor of 2. So, 2 is not a factor of this number. Next, we have to check it. 3 is a factor of this number. For that, we have to add the given numbers. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is a factor of this number because 18 is a multiple of 3. So, 3 is a factor of this number. So, we can take 3 as a factor. Here, 3 2s are 6. How many left? 1. 12. 3 4s are 12. Then 3. 3 3s are 9. Then what is the factor here? And this number 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Then 3 as a factor. Take 24. 8 3s are 24. Then 1 into 3, 3. What is the factor here? Add these two numbers. 8 plus 1, 9. How many 3s are here? From 8, how many 3s we can take? 2. 3 2s are 6. How many left? 2. 21. 7 3s are 21. 3 is a factor. 9 3s are 21. Again 3 is a factor. 3 3s are 9. 3 is a factor. Then 1 into 3, 3. So, prime factors of 729 equals this 6 times 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Prime factors of 729, 6 times 3. Then take the square root of 729. We have to find out. Make these 2 3s one pair. Again 2 3s one pair. Again make these 2 3s one pair. From these 2 3s take 1 3. From these also, from these 2 3s take 1 3. From here also 2 3s are there, that is one pair. From one pair we have to take 1 3. Then multiply these 3s. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So here root of 729 equals 27. We know that 27 into 27, 729. How you will take square root of a number by prime factorization method? First, take the factors of given number. Then make the factors in one pair. One pair means 2 digits. That is 2 numbers. From that, each one pair, you have to take 1 digit. Again, next pair, take 1 digit. Next pair, you have to take 1 digit. Then multiply all the digits. You will get the square root of given number. Copy down this. Next question is 400. Here we have to start with the smallest factor. That is, here smallest factor is 2. 2 2s are 4. Then bring down 2 zeros. Then what is the factor here? 2. Then 1 into 2, 2. Then bring down these zeros. Again factor is 2. 5 2s are 10. Then bring down this 0. Again factor is 2. Here 2 2s are 4. Then 1 left. The number is 10. 5 2s are 10. Take the factor 5 because last digit here 5. 5. 5 5s are 25. Again factor 5. 5 into 1, 5. Then prime factors of 400 are prime factors of 400 equals, writing ascending order only. What is ascending order? Smaller number to bigger number. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. What is the next step? Make it as pair. To take 2 digits, that is 1 pair. Again 2 digit, 1 pair. Same number, 2 digit, 1 pair. That is 5 into 5, 2 digits, 1 pair. Next, square root of 400 equals, from these 2 digits, how many digits we will take? 1 digit. That is 1, 2. From here also 1 digit. In between you have to put multiplication sign. 1 digit 2, that is next step. From these 2 5s we will take 1 5, that is into 5. Next one we have to multiply these 3 tables. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Then square root of 400 is 20. Next question is 4096. What is the factor? 2. 2 2s are 4. Take down 0. Then 4 2s are 8. How many left here? 1. Number will become 16. 8 2s are 16. Then take 2 as a factor. 1 into 2, 2. Then 0, take down. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 4 2s are 8. Here, what is the factor? 2 is the factor. Take 10 together. 5 2s are 10. 1 into 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. Again, take the factor 2. 2 2s are 4. How many left? 1. Number will become 11. 5 2s are 10. How many left? 1. 12. 6 2s are 12. Then take factor 2. 1 into 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. How many left? 1. Number will become 16. 8 2s are 16. Then take the factor 2. 6 2s are 12. Then 4 2s are 8. Then take the factor 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Number will become 32. Here 32 factor is 2. Then 1 into 2, 2. How many left? 1. Number will become 12. 6 2s are 12. Then factor is 2. 8 2s are 16. Again factor is 2. 4 2s are 8. Factor is 2. 2 2s are 4. Then factor 2. 1 into 2, 2. Then prime factors of 4096. Prime factors of 4096 equals 2 into 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 2. 3, 6, 9 into 2. How many times? 12 times 2's. Then what is the next step? Take the pair and make it as pair. 2 digits. 2, 2, 2. Here Write these 2 here. That is 2, 2. From these 2, take 1, 2. From here also 1, 2. Then 1, 2. 1, 2. From here 1, 2. From this 1, 2. Then square root of 4096 equals, multiply these 2's. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32, 32 2's are 64. Then square root of 4096 equals 64. Next question is 7744. Take as factor 2. 3 2's are 6. How many left? 1. Number 17. 8 2's are 16. Then 1 left. Number will become 14. 7 2's are 14. Then 2 2's are 4. Next factor is 2. 1 into 2, 2. How many left? 1. 1 8. 18. 9 2's are 18. 7. 3 2's are 6. How many left here? 1. 1 2 number 12. 6 2's are 12. Again factor 2. 9 2's are 18. 1 left. Then number will become 13. 6 2's are 12. 1 left. 16. 8 2's are 16. Then factor 2. 4 2's are 8. 1 left. 16. 8 2's are 16. 4 2's are 8. Next factor is which one? 2. Then 2 2's are 4. Then 8. 4 2's are 8. 2 2's are 4. Here 242. Factor is 2. 1 into 2, 2. 2 2's are 4. 1 into 2, 2. Then we cannot take any 2, 3, 7 factor. Direct we can take the factor. We know that 11 11's are 121. Then 11. 1 into 11, 11. That is prime factors of 7744 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. Prime factors of 7744 are 2 6 times and 11 2 times. Then square root of 7744 equals, make pair this one. 2 2, 2 2, then 11 11. Take from 2, 1 2, from these 2's 1 2, from this also 1 2, then from 11 1 11. Then multiply these terms, these digits. We will get 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 11 into 8's, 11 8's are 88. So square root of 7744 is 88. Copy down this. Students, rest of the question take as homework. Students, what have we learned today? Today we learned how to find out the square root of a number by prime factorization method. You have to learn and practice these questions and answers.